Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? So it is over, my brother. The Dogecoin is absolutely, my friend, fails down from previous days, and today I have good news, my friend, for all of you. So congratulations, everybody. I have especially two good news, my friend, for all of you. So before I will announce, please, like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type of videos. So let's start the price prediction, and after that, my friend, I will give you a good news. So the first good news, my friend, I will give you this time. So the good news is that, my brothers, too, after a very long time, Dogecoin is wake up and starting moving upward now. So congratulations, everybody. Today's coin is again going in the forward, and that will recover all the loss now, my friend, just only in a few days now. So congratulations. Let's recap this coin, my brother, especially from last 7 days. You can see, my brother, this coin is completely falls down. Change occur will be negative now. So what's the reason? The reason is simply, my friends, the holder are starting selling, and at the end of month, my brother, especially short-term investor, sometimes they sell, sometimes they my friends buy it. So therefore they fails down and wake up, go in the moon. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But kindly, holder, remember to, before you take any decision, please research personally. But my opinion is that please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of month. I hope the price will be double now, just in only at the end of month. So hold it. My opinion is please hold it and don't sell it. Remember, my brother, if the coin is moving upward, especially at the end of month, so you know, my brother, if you starting selling, definitely they fails down more and more, and they will again, my friends, come to zero now. So before they come to zero, you go now and sell it. But if they're starting upward now, so you also buy it, because when the price is increasing, so you need to buy it. So holders, please, the future is going to be completely bright now, because I know, my brother, to after every cryptocurrency will take a jump. So therefore, especially from last 1 week, this coin is completely falls down. So I know, my brothers, to upcoming time they will moving upward now. So you need to hold it and buy it more now. Let's see, my brother, but kindly you need to subscribe this channel for latest update and news. Please subscribe and also press the bell icon for videos notification.